Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today with an AliExpress haul. I hauled some new dies and I'm really excited to share these dies that I hauled today. They are perfect for Valentine's Day and just really any crafty project. So I'm going to jump right in. I have a lot to share with you. All right, so the first set of dies that I hauled look like this. I hauled this little arrow set, really cute. And then this is a nested tag set, and it looks like this. So you get one, a larger one, and then you get a smaller one. There's a smaller one as well that looks like that. And it is, you know, hearts around the border, and then the inside of the tag is stitched. And then it has these super cute little tiny hearts that cut out on the corners, which is absolutely adorable. So let me show you what that looks like. Here's the smaller tag, and as you can see, I die cut it out of some gold foil paper, and you can see the pretty stitching that it leaves. I'll get in a little bit closer so that you can see the little tiny hearts on the corners, and then there's that really cute arrow, and you can see it has even some embossing in the little arrow. Really cute. And I just love this little tag. So super cute for Valentine's Day. And then this is what the larger one looks like. And let me just refocus. But again, same thing. And I just added a really pretty bow to this one. And I'm just loving this tag set. It does come with an additional tiny heart right here. As you can see, that little heart. What you do is if you take that off, and I didn't do it on my tags, but if you take this little tiny heart off and you place it, uh-oh, I'm losing my bling. If you place the little tiny heart right here, it will actually cut out a heart center, and then you have a hole to hang string and actually put it on a gift bag and actually make it into a tag and add ribbon or fibers to it. So that is the fun thing about these tags, is that it does come with that little extra piece. The small one does too. And there it is right there. So really cute. And here is another example just out of some solid cardstock. I was just having fun cutting it out to see what it would look like. And it's absolutely beautiful. I love it. All right, moving along, I'm going to share with you some more dies that I picked up. All right, so the next set of dies that I picked up looks like this, and it's a heart scallop set. And again, you've got the ring of hearts on the outer portion of the little doily, and then this part right here just creates a bunch of small little hearts, which is perfect for confetti. And I did make a card using that, and it looks like this, and I think it came out so cute. And I'm sorry that I use the word cute so much. I'm trying not to say it so much. But it is absolutely adorable, and I love the way my card came out. I used various dies from my stash. I used my little unicorn. I used these really pretty flowers that I have in my stash, and then I die cut out the word friends, and I used this really pretty background die that I have. And then these two little hearts actually came out of another die set that I'm going to show you in just a second. But I'm loving the circles, and it creates, as you can see, an adorable card. So that is what that looks like right there. And then I did finish off the card on the inside, and it looks like this. And I used this set of scalloped nesting dies that I have. And then I used some little hearts that came with that set. And I think that came out really pretty. All right, moving along. Let me push that off to the side. I picked up this set of dies right here. Looks like this. So it's like a little frame, and again, it's like a whole heart theme. So there's hearts around the border of this, and then you get a layering piece that looks like this, and then you get some little tiny hearts that cut out as well. So this is the small one, and then here is the larger one right here. Looks like that. And let me show you what that die looks like. I did use I made this little crate, and I was inspired to pull this crate out. My friend Sophia, who's Paper Sweets, had recently shared a project using the little crate, and I forgot I had these dies. And anyway, I decided to use this little crate die, and here you can see I used the really pretty tag. Look at the cute little heart border, and then this is the layering piece, and it has the cute little hearts right here. And then what I did was I just popped it up on some dimensionals. so it would have a little pop on the front of the box. And I think it's absolutely adorable. Now, let me show you, I did make some memory decks cards. I just stuck them in here. All right, so let me show you. This is the first memory decks cards that I made. And this is using the smaller frame. And then I just popped up the word hello. And I just used this pretty collection that I had picked up from Michael's Hot Buy section last year. I can't remember the name of it, but love this collection. And I did use this memory decks die that I have in my stash. I hadn't shared this one yet. It's new. I have so many dies I haven't shared, but this is one of the newer ones that I use. So if you're wondering, I use this memory decks die. And that's what it looks like. And this is the back. And as you can see, that memory decks card has really pretty stitching around the entire border of the card. And it actually does emboss a little line as well, which is really, really nice. And then this is the second memory decks card that I had created. And that was using this die right here. And again, it has the really pretty stitching along the border. And I hadn't done anything with this one, but I was just playing with this collection, so I decided to cut it out and play with it. So that's what that looks like. Now I'm going to move on and show you this die right here. And it creates a purse memory decks card. Let me show you what the die looks like. It looks like this. And it's a really nice size, and as you can see, it's a memory decks purse. Super, super cute, right? You get that part, and then you get a layering piece that looks like this. And then you get a little zipper, if I can get it out. You get the zipper, and then you also get this little piece right here that you can use to decorate the purse. Absolutely adorable. I'm loving this purse memory decks card, and I think it's so extra cute. So this is the one I made. This is one of the ones that I had created, and I just added some bling to the top, and it just opens up with a little bit of Velcro. I just used some Velcro dots, and this is what the inside looks like. I layered it with this polka dot pattern paper, and then on the bottom, this is just solid cardstock, and this is where you can write all your information. You can write a really, information about yourself, or maybe just something, encouraging words to a friend, or stamp a sentiment and give it to a crafty friend. Or you can make your own memory decks purse and just add it to your Rolodex, and maybe have a special memory or occasion that you want to write down that you don't want to forget. And then there's the back, and there's the cute little zipper. And I hope I'm focused. But I really, really love this die. I think this is so, so cute. Now, I did create another one, and it looks like this. I was having fun with this die, and I used some different cardstock. I did a little bit of stitching inspired by my friend Shara Crane and Adriana Alvarez. And I added this heart bling. I think that's from Hobby Lobby or Michael's. There's that cute little layering piece that it comes with. You open it up, and it looks like this. And again, I layered it with some cardstock on the inside, and then just white cardstock on this side. And it makes it very sturdy, so you don't have to worry about it being flimsy when you put it in your Rolodex and it's flipping up and back and forth and all of that. And then here's the back, and I just went with a gold zipper on the back of this one. Super, super cute, right? I love this memory decks card die. How adorable. All right, moving along. I did make this really cute treat box. Back to that other frame die, I apologize. I'm all over the place, but I used this really cute treat box that I have in my stash. Looks like this, and I've had this for a long time. And again, I just used this die right here, this small little heart frame. I popped it on the candy box, treat box, looks like that. Added some cute tulle. I did use this really pretty bow that I picked up from the KS Craft store. It looks like that, and I did do the double layer on that, and that bow die looks like this. And I've shared this one in the past. So cute. And then this is the treat box, and it does have candy in it. Hershey nuggets in there. So I have this ready to go to gift to a friend, and I think that is absolutely adorable, don't you think? I love it. So there's another example of using that little heart frame die. All right, moving along, I did get this die right here. It's a treat topper. Looks like that. It could be a treat topper, or it could be a place card setting. And as you can see, it has the little hearts right here, and you can add a little note card, stamp a sentiment, write somebody's name if you're using it for a table setting, maybe for a little kid's Valentine's Day party or something like that. But this is absolutely adorable, and I did die cut it out of the pattern paper so you could see what it looked like, and then this glitter paper, which is really, really pretty as well. All right, moving along, I also picked up this die right here, and it's another like a little treat topper or bag topper. Really, really cute, and it has scalloped edge and then all these little tiny hearts. And this is what it looks like cut out. Adorable, and that's perforated right here so you can fold it and stick it on a package. This would be really cute for like Bath and Body Works stuff, I think. And then here's another one. I just die cut it out of some patterned paper and added the cute little bow right there. And I just love the bottom, and I just love all those little hearts. Really, really pretty. Don't you agree? Love it. All right, I got a few more to share with you. All right, I picked up this die right here, and it looks like this. And this is like a big frame, and it could also be like a photo frame. You see it has the little slots right there. You could probably do a lot of different things with this die. This is what it looks like cut out. You get this layering piece, and then you also get this piece right here. And again, that's what that looks like. And I think that's really pretty, and you could put this on front of a scrapbook album and do a lot of fun things with this right here. And you could go this way as well. Really, really fun. And then last but not least, I did get this treat topper die, and it looks like this. It will fit in your Big Kick or Big Shot if you have the smaller one. It will work. You just have to kind of move the die carefully so that you can cut it the full length. Otherwise, you just use your larger die cutting machine and it will work perfectly. But if you don't have the larger die cutting machine, you can still make it work. I just want to point that out. So this is what it looks like cut out. I cut it out of some solid cardstock so you can see what it looks like. And I did make this set of embellishments, these really pretty flowers. Aren't they absolutely gorgeous? I love the way they came out. And I just made this because I'm working on Happy Mail, but look how cute that would be as a treat topper for my embellishments. Absolutely adorable. And I did make another one. I have one more example. And I made this treat topper right here. And as you can see, I used some gold foil on the hearts, and then I used a scallop die right here, and then a word that says create. And look how cute that little topper is. I love it. Absolutely adorable. Well, this is my haul for today. I hope that you're inspired. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. Check the description box below for product information. Thanks for watching my channel today, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.